So hey guys, so if you remember a little bit ago I did the vinyl wrap on these wheels again. Well, this is a fail this time. You can see it's all lifting up around the edge here. The last one I did, it was perfect. It didn't do that, so I don't know what the problem is. I cleaned the rim really well, just like I did before. Use the same method too, so a little disappointing. So I'm gonna go ahead and strip all this off. You just peel it right off. I'm gonna save up and then get some nice black wheels. I have my eye on a couple different styles, but a little disappointing. Like I said, I was expecting to get a couple of years, but I mean, you see it just pulls right off, you know. So if you guys are doing this, I would take note of how much you're gonna overhang it on the outside of the wheel, because you want very minimal. I could have probably took a razor blade and scored it off too, because it seems like it doesn't want to stick around the edge of the wheel. You know, so maybe I put it a little up high, maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that. Looks good. The chrome deleter on the windows. Might eventually do the black spoiler on the back. So I definitely want to get black wheels. I do like that. So let me go ahead and peel this off and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so it took me probably 5 minutes, not even. Peeled them off. Like I said, nothing crazy here. I just wanted to share that with you. It was a little disappointing. I came out, you know, they weren't even on that long. I'd say maybe 2 months. And that happened. So I like how this looks too, the black. I like that. You know, I think the spoiler, Doom black again. I got the badges. I don't know. I just feel like I need black wheels. So I'll have to actually up it a little bit and buy a nice set of black wheels eventually. You know, save up for that, because there's a couple styles I'm not positive exactly what I want, but I feel like it kind of ties it all together too with all the black things I'm going to do on this car. So just want to share that with you guys. Again, if you're gonna do it, just take note of how much you hang it over the edge, because that's the problem area I've noticed. The flat area is easy. Okay, so I hope everyone's doing good, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, everybody.